Hello, good morning. This is Chris Magnuson with Street View Vagabond. We're here with another episode of Unboxing the World. And today we're going to be unboxing Jastrebarsko, Croatia. I think that's how you say it, or maybe it's Jastrebarsko, Croatia. I'm not sure, but today we're starting here with Radio Hanka or Radio Janka, 93.8 FM out of Jastrebarsko, Croatia. And this is how I do this. I start with a radio station around the world, listen to it, get a sense of the music that they're playing there, put together a Spotify playlist for about 20 songs, and then dive into the map without doing much research. And diving into the map gives me the opportunity to then do the research to find out what's going on in that part of the world. So today, this playlist of 20 songs or 21 songs is a decent variety of music from all over the world, different decades. You got some Sade, Please Send Me Someone to Love, some old school Sting, and then also some Croatian bands like ENI with Trazi Sedeko. And then down here, which is going to be our song of the day, is 2J2 by Luka Bazi. He's a Slovenian artist. It's a really catchy song. It's good to listen to. And we also have the Sve Sam Tidao Three Musketeers, basically. It's kind of more poppy and has this festival kind of label to it too. So I'm not sure exactly where that's coming from, but I'm going to do some more research on that. But this playlist, again, it's a really good, pop variety with some decent music from um, the Balkans. We had Slovenians and Croatians in there too. So this town, you see, Croatia is here, so it's kind of connected here to Bosnia and Slovenia on either side. But Zagreb right here, this one is going to be right here. And as I said before, this is Yaster. Um, how do you say it? I've got, I'm pronouncing it all wrong because I haven't done the research on it. Jastrebarsko or Jastrebarsko. So forgive me, but that's what we do. This is unboxing the world, and so what unboxing the world is all about is just popping down inside and saying, "Hey, what's in this town? What's going on in this place? Let's check it out. Let's see what we can learn from this." I'm changing things up a little bit. I used to do 40 minutes. Now I'm going to do 25 minutes. I need to truncate my time here on these unboxing videos because I'm kind of running out of time to do other things that I need to do. So we're going to cut it short a little bit here, but hopefully we'll be able to do this. This is gorgeous fall morning. Look at this. This is one of those mornings I just love getting that kind of early sun. I bet it's pretty chilly. Folks are wearing coats. What are we looking here? This is November 2011. Whew, this is a long time ago. We're talking a decade ago. So apologies to the folks in Jastrebarsko, Croatia. We're kind of doing a time warp dance here, a little homage to Rocky Horror Picture Show. But it is a long time ago. This is gorgeous though. I love this. Look at these shadows here. So this is like early morning. Things are just kind of getting started. Folks are just getting on the way. Look, there's not even any traffic, although I have no idea if there's much traffic. Now, with Street View, one of the things you got to do is you got to wait a few seconds there and the icon will disappear. But I'm grabbing this shot here because I love that, just that image there, that architecture, that street, those shadows is looking really good there too. So I'm just going to do a house shot. And that's what I do. I grab the screenshots here and then throw these shots up on social media to tell a little story about it, kind of what's life like in this corner of Croatia. I'm going to go back. I want to get this church. Well, look at that. We're in a different time frame. This is September of 2011. Oh, that's interesting. So both of them are in 2011. Okay, that's probably going to be a better shot of the church. I got too close there, so the trees were covering it up. So I want to get a better shot. I think that is better. I'm just on a bike heading out in the morning. But dude, I love those like early fall morning uh, sunshine, not a cloud in the sky. It's just gorgeous here. Okay, so this will be interesting. Let's see what the name of this is. Mueller. And then this is a restaurant. Permanently closed. Fast food Majorca. Okay. Okay. So we're just gonna kind of scroll through. It's kind of chill. Up the Fiores. Let's let that icon disappear. I like that house, that sign, that person walking again. It's that early morning, got bundled up. The day is young. It's exciting. It's an exciting moment. I love the mornings. Let's Triangle House. All right, 22 minutes already. I do gotta go fast here and recognizing that then I gotta utilize some new skills here. That's a cool dormer. That's cool. Some architecture shots this morning. Guys, it's worth it. There's some cool stuff going on architecturally here. I don't think that's the technical name for it. Oh wait, is that Croatian flag? Schedule. Oh, it's on the building. It's not on this. Today is Transportation Tuesday. So my weekday is hashtags, and I want to make sure that just kind of keeping an eye out for the different variety of things that we're looking at here. So maybe for Transportation Tuesday, maybe it's plus, but I don't know. Well shot. But I was trying to get this flag. Actually, that could also be good. Good vibe shot. Always pick one person to send some good vibes out to you. So maybe this person needs some good vibe shots. We'll see. Maybe not. Okay, cool. And this is, yeah, it's still November 2011. The flag is still going strong. It's still not. Let's try to look like. Still not good. Ontario Sportswear and Jeans. Cool. It's great that we got some mannequins in the window there. Shout out to my mannequin folks on Instagram. Go. Sportswear shop. Okay, and we're at 19 minutes. Let's jump to the map and let's go for about a 2-minute break and check to see what we got. I thought it was at the castle. Okay, we're gonna jump back to the castle. We're looking for a funny find. We're gonna do this for 2 minutes and we'll jump back on the Holly food. All right, I'm gonna grab that. The funny find. Funny find. Crap. The funny find can be a little bit hard because sometimes I'm not trying to make fun of people. I'm actually trying to highlight the sense of humor of folks all around the world. But sometimes there's some great. Okay, so the Mueller, I was already there. Okay, so I gotta take a left into that shot. That's cool. Cafe Bar Hosta, Cafe Bar MB, VIP Center Matrix, Restaurant Le Jescu, Party Bologna. Okay, so that's an example. I normally would take that as a bologna tea frame. We're gonna take this down to 17-minute mark, and then we'll jump back into the map and we'll check stuff out. Again, I'm just trying to get a good funny photo, and we'll see. It may or may not be much. This is a small town. Doesn't look like there's a ton of population. Then coffee bar. And if I start grabbing, it just says clothing store. Bank. Hakama Academia. Forklift dealer. Humanitarian. Artemida. 40 seconds here. Fast food bulldog. Okay. Let's grab it. Actually, I do want to grab this too, just because. Well, actually, no. Let's one more. We got 13 more seconds. Coffee Cafe, Auto Club. 5 seconds. And time. Okay, let's go up to Bulldog here. And let's see if we can get a street shot of Bulldog. Let's see, it might not be Bulldog. Condom Super. Okay, let's grab that. This looks like potentially like a Walmarty kind of a place. Aurora is in Mexico. I'll call this Condom. I love getting the variety of shots here too. So you got like this big box store, letting that icon disappear, and 3, 2, 1, boom. Get the big box store going. Get that sense of life, get the really cool, quaint, traditional architecture. Try to see everything, right? Because it's like, that's what life is all about. I'm gonna check it out. Okay, so I was looking for Bulldog. That's what I wanted to see. Is this the Bulldog? It's Conti. All right, let's take this down to 14. All right, is this the Bulldog? Oh, Plodon. We got like battling big box stores here. What is this one? That's kind of cool. This is more of a supermarket, it looks like. I'm digging that battling big box stores. Plodon. Whoa, there's a lot going on there. But I don't see this Bulldog thing. What are we here? We're still November 2011, so we haven't jumped. Oh, maybe we get a little closer. But in fact, I want to stay back here because this is cool. Look at this building. What is that? Ah, Cocta! Yay! Cocta. So I have a video of me on search for Cocta. This is actually the old school logo, the red and yellow, which, by the way, is one of my favorite colors for signs around the world. Red and yellow. Something about it works. It works. All right. I'm gonna call this the Cocta. Messed that up. Now, cool. Now it's blue and yellow, but it's a herbal imad. What is imad? It's an herbal soda created in I'm gonna get this totally wrong. I think it's Croatia. I bought it in a Meze Hub, which is a Balkan supermarket here in the DC area. It's got an interesting taste to it. It is an acquired taste. It's not super bubbly. It is actually quite refreshing, and I would definitely get it again. The Cocta, it's awesome. It's basically kind of like an Eastern Bloc soda that was created because they were blocked out of access to Coke back in the 1950s, I think. It was 1956, I think it started. Again, could be completely wrong. It is morning. I am coming in hot on this. Spelling pepperoni wrong. It's all good. This looks like this is just under construction. Ooh, what is this? Is this a woodshed? That is cool. They got the whole like winter wood pile ready to roll. I can't really capture that. That's a cool detail. Look at that. I'm gonna grab that from there. The icons, no icons. Yeah, let's grab that. We're gonna grab this house with the wood. Cool, that's interesting. Let's have a wood burning stove. I'll call that. Wood burning stove. Let's do it. Okay. Music shop number one. Oh, I saw that there. Let's grab that like that. Yeah, let's do that. Music shop one. Boom. Oh, I gotta put that on there. Oh, we got school and a playground. Cool. Okay. We're gonna take this down to minute 11, and then we're gonna jump up to that castle, which is pretty cool. I may be done when it comes to funny finds. That's an interesting playground. There it is. Those cars. I think it's a playground. Maybe it's not a playground. No, it's not a playground. Look at that. It's got like a plow. It's got a wheel. It's actually more like a lumber yard. Okay. Doesn't change my call this hardware store. Okay, 18 seconds. Maybe I'll get another good vibe here. There's social distancing before social distancing. Another thing. This is cool. I might be a good vibe. That might be my good vibe on social distancing. Good vibes are always finicky. Ah, look at that. We got a graphic of a sandwich. Oh, is this fast food bulldog? What is this? Is this fast food bulldog? No, fast food dummy. What's dummy stand for? I don't know. It's a little something. Oh, I got like soaked up in my brain by the name stuck in my head. That's a good one. Cool. Fast food 22. Let's do it. There's a lot going on in here. I love it. All right. Oh, we're at 10-minute mark. Uh-oh, I want to get back up to that castle. Let's grab this kiosk. A lot going on there. Oh, what is that? Kiosk. Let's grab the kiosk. We'll call this magazine kiosk. I just want to check this. This is like, oh, it disappeared on me. Rubble. Kino, bar Kino. That's cool. I like that. Let's grab that. And then let's head to the castle. And then I think we're done because we got a funny find. Oh, we got Transportation Tuesday. Kino bar. Look at this sign. People dancing together. The dog together, stay together. Kids and adults fine. That's yeah. All right, let's jump back to the map. See if we can't get this castle going on here. We get into the castle. We can get a photosphere here. That's the castle. Oh. It's a castle. Not here. Okay, we'll call this castle. Level 9. Okay. Seems like, okay, let's go to the inside of it. What is here? What the map is telling us is happening versus what I see happening feel like two different things. Feels like we're not getting what we really need to be getting. Big bench. What's the big bench? That's a big Croatian flag. Let's grab that. So up in my brain, what you do? I should not do singing. La 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 la. Okay, what is that? Oh, is it a sculpture? Let's grab that. Look at that sculpture. What is that? Okay, we're still in 2011? We are still in 2011. Some funkiness. I'm gonna grab the bigger shot here. We can grab let's put that. Let's do this called Sculpture Garden. Sculpture Garden. Okay, I'm down to 6 minutes. Oh, I love this street. Look at these trees. This is gorgeous. Let's go to this shot. Ah. Ah. This. My mug out of the way. Oh, that's like, there's been many times I've been in like Eastern Germany or even in Czechoslovakia. Wow, country Czech. It's these like, I love these chilly mornings. Something about them I love. Although now that I say that, I was never there in November. November, June, July. Got a dead end going on here. On the street. Oh, we got a playground. That's some variety for that. This is interesting. What's going on? What is that? Institute Jastrebarsko Forest Research Institute. Oh, cool. Let's grab that. Oops. In English. Jastrebarsko. Should probably do some research. Forest research. Oh, there's some trees in front of it. You know what? This might be my good vibe. You're on your bike. It's early in the morning. It's chilly. You're dressed warm. About to head out. Have a good day, man. Have a good day. All right, let's grab this playground. So I like to have like a variety of shots. This one's going to suck. Look at that. Playground. All right, and we are down to 3 minutes left. I'm feeling pretty good. We got the street workout. Oh, this is where I was. Okay. Is there any more town over here? No. Oh, that's me. Now let's go here. What we got? Let's just take a quick look at what the street looks like. Wow, there's a lot of buildings. It was kind of out of town. This is January. Wow, January 2019. We jumped up ahead. Oh, look at that. That's a cool barn. Okay, so we're coming to a close here. We got some really good shots here of Jastrebarsko, Croatia. What is this? Oh, okay. I think we're going in the opposite direction. I don't double park there. What is this? Is this a wedding cake? Oh. Okay. Got a couple funny finds, got some good vibes, got some Transportation Tuesday, got that bus. Hmm, okay. And I think we've got kind of mission accomplished. Hmm. Jastrebarsko. Oh, here's this train station. Oh, here's some more of the town. Oh, cool. We got karate club. See if we can get let's get the train station first. Transportation Tuesday. 2 minutes left. Let's do this. What? Where's the train station? It's gotta be here because all these cars are parked. Ah, it's such a gorgeous. This is still November 20th. Oh, this is Condom. This is the train station. Oh, maybe I can get a shot up here. Oh, look at this garden. Gorgeous. Oh, there's the train. Oh, look at that. It's like that. I love nothing more than that early morning light. It's like getting up, starting the day. Man. See the trains there. I can't believe I just said choo choo. Who am I, 5? Pretty much. That's my major. And after all, my hobby is getting on street view and having hashtag called Transportation Tuesday. I'm 5 years old. Okay, train station shots. One more chance. Anything else? We got one. I got the music shop. Is that rhubarb? Didn't realize that this was kind of another part of town over here. Traffic circle. What's in the day with the traffic circle? Oh, we don't have access to the traffic circle, and that is 2 seconds left. We end on good vibe here. Ooh, we got a greenhouse up here. Let's grab that. That is my clock time. Ooh, what do we got? We got supply Jeep. Oh wait, what is this? This might be my traffic. Do that. Suki. We got that beach light. We got palm trees. What does it say? About this. Just the potential of the, I don't know if I'll use it or not. We got Jeep with palm horse trees. And then I wanted to get this F. It's not a greenhouse. Never mind. All right, let's grab it anyway. It's actually a pretty house. Hello. Spring. Cool. Okay, that has been 25 minutes in Jastrebarsko, Croatia, unboxing the world. What do we see? We saw a castle. Not so sure it was a castle, but it was worth checking out. I'm not sure we got really good vibes. I love that forestry building, the sculptures out in front of it, trees there. Love the early morning sun, kiosks in the buildings. We got some funny finds. We got some Transportation Tuesday stuff and a sense of this town a little bit. There doesn't seem to be a strong downtown, but that's okay. It's cool. All right. Have a good day.